Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by transferring the collar, stand, and facing precisely, because accurate shapes determine fit. Once traced, cut each piece and attach interfacing to the collar and stand. This gives structure and prevents ripple. Make sure to leave interfacing slightly smaller than seam allowances so seams remain soft. Press with appropriate heat. Test on scrap fabric to avoid shine. Now pin collar to stand, matching notches and center points so the next seam lies true and smooth. You sew the collar to the stand with confidence. Align right sides, match centers and shoulder seams, and stitch at a consistent 6 mm seam. Pause to pivot at the collar points to keep curves sharp, and clip the seam allowance into curves and corners so the collar will turn smoothly. Once done, grade the seam allowances, trim one layer narrower to reduce bulk, and understitch the facing close to the seam to lock the roll line. This prevents the collar from flipping outward. You now baste the completed collar and stand into the jacket neckline, distributing ease evenly between shoulder seams so no tucks form. After checking fit on a dress form or body, sew permanently, then finish the facing edge with neat top stitching or invisible slip stitching so the interior lies flat. Press the entire collar with steam and a clapper for a crisp roll. If you see a gap or collar roll wrong, make sure understitching is secure and repress. Small adjustments fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.